Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, here to show you the July 2020 giveaway on the Sandpaper Road YouTube channel. I am so excited to give this away. Wait until you see. As you can see, this is it. I'm not even going to hesitate. This is the collection. This is a $25 value. Now I'm able to give this away because Craft O'Clock, I'm part of their creative team, and they always send multiple packs of their collections. And it's wonderful, and it's so much that I want to share it with you. So this month is very special because there are going to be not one, but two winners this month. I already have the collections bagged up. Two of you will win everything you see here. Are you so excited? Okay, I am so excited. I'm going to show you what is in the paper pack. This, first of all, is My Cat Friend, and it is by Craft O'Clock. This is the 12 by 12 paper collection. Now, this giveaway is open to USA only, and I really hate to exclude my international friends and followers, and I appreciate all of you so much, but I am shipping this collection for free as a true giveaway. It's free, and international shipping at this point for me is just not feasible. It's like double the cost of the bundle itself. So someday I hope to be able to do that. As a matter of fact, my goal is when I hit 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, I would like to open up all the giveaways to the international audience as well. So let me show you what is in the giveaway. Look, here's a little look at the patterns that come in the 12 by 12 collection. On the back, you have some little kitties to fussy cut. Look at them. Oh my gosh, look at their little expressions. Look how they're reversed too. Look at, and the balloons, so cute. Okay, and here is the first. And at the bottom of each page, they always put a color palette there so you can see. And then the back, let me see, I'll go like this so that you can see them both. Isn't this cute? I love this. Great color palette. Look at the paws. Now, I'm sure that even if you are not necessarily a cat person, you know someone who is a cat person. You know someone who is a crafty person and is also a cat person. So you could enter this giveaway for them on their behalf. And then if you win, you could pass it on to them as well. Look at that. Look! I just love it. I don't know if you can see this pattern very well. There you go. And then let's see on the back. Look at it. So cute. This has little, it reminds me of doing penmanship. I don't think they do that anymore in school, but we did back in the day. So yeah, doing those penmanship drills. Here, this pattern has little paw prints. See? And then on the back, just a nice gray polka dot. Here is a really nice, subtle, like a soft gray with hearts. I love this. I love this. Look at that. Beautiful. And then this kind of like it's not really a gingham, but it's a nice little check pattern. And then this has some journaling cards, or if you're into card making, here's some like card panel fronts. You could turn this way and have like a nice card panel front. And then on the back is another sheet of pattern paper. So that is in the 6 by 6. That is in the 12 by 12 collection. Okay, that's part of the giveaway. And then I will show you the 6x6 paper. So that 12 by 12 has 6 sheets in it. And then that's 6 sheets plus this back of the packaging one. So like you could figure 6.5 sheets even though it says 6. This is the 6x6 pack here. Okay, oops. And this has 18 sheets. Alrighty. And let me zoom in some. All right, is a little bit better. Okay. So on the back of the packaging here, you've got a pattern. That is so nice that they do that. I always use like this part of the paper also, and sometimes I'll use the My Cat Friend, like the title of the collection, as the title of my scrapbook layout too. This would be great on a card also, just that nice pattern. Okay, and so you're going to get 2 each of these designs. Okay, as you can see, look at this. And here's the paw prints. And these are scaled down. This is great for card making. Also for scrapbooking, depending on, I actually can use up a whole pack of 6x6 when I'm making like a mini album. And I have a tutorial on that, I believe, on my channel. I will link to that. Look at that. I'm sorry I got distracted by the paper. It's so nice. So you can see how they're scaled down. There's that soft gray again. I love that. But here's what's cool about the 6x6. You've also got, there's that checkered, right, that we saw. This has some stripes. Now this is really good for card making. And then on the back, you get an additional pattern that you don't get in the 12 by 12. Okay. And then check this out. You've got some nice doilies. Look at that you can cut out. You could use it as the paper or just cut that out with an additional pattern on the back. Sort of that chevron pattern. And then you get 2, look. And you get the little cats to cut out on the back of this paper and a second sheet on the back, plus you get balloon tops. Wouldn't that be cool if you drew, like had a bunch of balloons, you cut these out, grouped them all together and drew like strings, drew like with a, like I just have this just right, I just looked at it. With this metallic, like a pen, you could draw like the strings for it or something. So cool. And look at the paw prints. It almost looks like paw print balloons. With an additional sheet or with an additional pattern, and you get 2 of those as well. So that also comes in the giveaway. That's the 6x6. Then for the giveaway, we have the die cuts sheet. Now these are all, I think you could see, they're all pre-cut, just basic shapes. You've got large circles and smaller circles, and kind of like little tag type shapes. That's great if you're doing like a pull-out or just accents on your pages. Good for cards. And there are, I'm not sure how many are on this sheet. Let's just, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 die cut shapes. And you get that in the giveaway. And you also get the My Cat Friends quotes. These are 16 double-sided quotes. One side of them, this hasn't even been opened at all. And I'm opening the one that I'm going to use to make projects with. But the 2 that I'm sending out as giveaways, I'm going to leave sealed and unopened, okay? So on the back, you have a nice piece of, on the back of the packaging, coordinating paper that goes with the collection, okay? Now, because Craft O'Clock is located in Poland, on one side of the quotes, you have, how do you say meow in Polish? Oh, I wouldn't know how to pronounce that probably the same way. Meow. And then you have, so one side is in English and the other side is in Polish. Okay. Lovely. Today is a perfect day. Oh my goodness. Hug me, please. Cats. Pranks. Absolutely. Enjoy the freedom. If you love me, let me out. That's so cute. Feline affairs. Meow, happy day. Time to play. Furry ball. Furry mur. It's the same on both sides. That's like the sound of a purr. So cute, sweet. Meow and meow. Boy, that sure is how a cat makes. So cute. So those are the quotes that you will also get in the giveaway. 2 winners. This is the July 2020 giveaway. You've only got 1 shot, okay? And the window for the giveaway is kind of small. Now, here's how this is going to go, okay? The giveaway is going to end on Sunday, July 19th at 11:59 p.m. That's it. It's over. It's done then. Now up until, and the winner is going to be announced on Monday, July 20th at noon. And that's, these times are Eastern Standard Time in the USA. Okay. And the winners will be announced. The 2 winners will be announced on on the Sandpaper Road Facebook page and also in a YouTube post right here on the Sandpaper Road channel. So if you would like to enter, here is what you do. Okay, so first, you need to subscribe to the Sandpaper Road YouTube channel. If you're watching this, probably, I imagine you're already a subscriber, but if not, right down here somewhere, you're going to see the subscribe button. And then there's going to pop up a little bell. You can click on that little bell. It looks like a ringing bell so that you can get the notifications for future giveaways, great inspirational videos, and so on. Okay. So the first thing is to subscribe to the Sandpaper Road YouTube channel. The second thing is to head over to Facebook and like the Sandpaper Road Facebook page. And that's really important because that's where I also share a lot of videos, but also Sandpaper Road things that aren't on YouTube. There's a lot of things that get shared there that aren't just videos. And the third thing is, are you a cat person or are you a dog person? Or do you have another pet preference? So that I am very interested to know, what is your pet preference? Or are you a cat person or are you a dog person? And please comment your response right below this video, So 3 things: subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the Facebook page, All Sandpaper Road, and below this video, please tell me your pet preference. The 2 winners will be randomly drawn, and the winner will be announced on Monday, July 20th, 2020 at noon Eastern Standard Time. I'm so happy you could be a part of this chance. I really wish everybody the best of luck and happy crafting and good luck.